Today is Monday. Sit, relax, and enjoy watching this video. Happy Monday to you all out there. Love, joy, peace, and happiness. Blessing to you all. Blessing, blessing, blessing. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Sit, relax, and watch this lovely shower of rain. My YT family, blessing, love, joy, peace, and happiness. Guys, as you can see, the food in the sink, they just wash. Everything just wash. Wash, wash, wash. Everything what is in here, wash. And they left in there to drain till tomorrow. So let me show you what in my food basket. As you can see, a lovely pineapple. These pineapple are very sweet. Beautiful carrot down there. Yeah, get some light. Beautiful carrot down there. And guess what? Sweet potato. It coming on to Christmas. So you know, Christmas pudding in the oven, sweet potato, cucumber, and it's tree. Cucumber and some lovely Irish potato down there. See them there? Two lovely yellow yam. Let me show you big the yam is. See there? Very big yam. Another one over here. And June plum. Last but not least, June plum. And guys, we have some ginger. Ginger I'll break up. Ginger expensive, you see. We have some ginger right there and a chocho. Yeah, food basket look good. Eh? Yeah man, food basket turn up. Least but not last. Lovely plummy. You call these plummy tomato. And you know these can cut and use like the table tomato. You just cut them. And just slice them and mix them in your vegetable. I love to eat this just like this with a little salt. Yep. So guys, enjoy watching my food basket. Peace, love, joy, and happiness. And I don't remember I said today is Sunday, but if I said today, if you heard it in the video, say I said today is Sunday, you maybe don't get this video on a Sunday. Whenever you get this video, enjoy it. Enjoy watching. If you don't want to watch it, well, it's up to you, but watchy, and who no watchy, no watchy. So enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Who watch it, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Who no watch it, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. So peace out, peace out, peace out. Oh, it's raining today, guys. Long time we don't get any rain, you know. Long time I'm not going to put on rain video. We have it now. It's dry. And look how the grass I get the water. Wow, look all on the sorrel tree them down there. So let me zoom in, let you guys see. See there? And the what you call the gungo peas. They're tree big. Yeah man, it's a rainy day today. Today is what, Saturday? They look different because I work on Saturday. I hardly work on Saturday, you know. But you know, today I stop by and work today. So it's a rainy day today in the hills. Look, oh wow, look at the road, guys. Hold on, look at the road. Look there. Walk on the road. Water come here, face, you know, no water can go out, they go lay down, but it would make sense because they look muddy. So heavy. There's the water running out there on the road, see there? Wow. And the little pepper them down there really need the water. See them there, sir? Scotch bonnet pepper them really need the water. So guys, let's open ourselves. And I hope you all stay dry inside and don't get wet from this rain.